Hello and welcome to task 13. In this video, I'm going to give you my answer for task 13. So this was the question. I asked you to critically review 4th and 5th SLR paper from your collection. So I have done that. The 4th paper that I reviewed, I got this information or this review. It has 37 words in total, and I relied on these two sentence templates. So I mentioned the contribution of the SLR and the focus of this SLR. Those were the two things that I used here. So if you look down here, you can see the review 21 looked at handling the patient data. So that is mentioning the contribution of this paper. And the second bit was the focus of this SLR. The focus was on electronic health record and patient health record, and how blockchain grants patients power for their data and self-sovereign identity. So that was the focus. So that was paper 4. If I scroll down further, this is paper 5. This is a small summary, which is 20 words, and there are only 2 sentences here. One is the focus of the study, and second, what that study investigated. So when you're writing this section, you can try to mix and match different sentences. Otherwise, it will sound very repetitive if you're using the same style. Okay, so that's what I have done in this case. So here you can say the focus of the study is mentioned here, and what was the key investigation. All right, so that was the answer for task 13. So all 5 papers are now complete, and your prior literature review section, within that, this has to be, this section is now complete because you have got all the critical reviews of all the 5 papers. So you have completed one subsection after this. So be proud of yourself and continue with all the other tasks that are upcoming. All right, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and share the videos with others. Thank you very much.